How to enable or disable voice command to take picture with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon. After click on this four dot icon, click on settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on shooting method. After click on shooting method, you will see voice command is here. If you want to disable voice command, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see voice command is disabled. If you want to enable voice command, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see voice command is enabled. You will enable or disable voice command from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable voice command to take picture with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.